Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete your Netflix account. Whatever may be the reason, you can easily delete your Netflix account. So for this, open up your Netflix app and tap on your profile icon on the top right and then open up account. From the accounts tab, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom where you'll have an option of delete under settings. Tap on the delete option. Now before you delete your account, you need to confirm your identity. Tap on email a code. This way you'll receive a code on your email address, and in the next screen you'll need to type in the code that you received. Once you type in your code, it will take you to this screen where you can now successfully delete your account. Now before you delete your account, make sure you also cancel your membership. If you haven't yet cancelled, you can tap on cancel your membership right here. And once the membership has been cancelled, you can check this box and then tap on permanently delete. You'll also get a date when your account will be deleted right here. So that was a quick and easy process on how to delete your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.